All right, so the reason I've been doing the 3DS stuff is I have a hacked 3DS here. It's got a giant SD card in it, hundreds of games on it. My son likes to play games before going to bed, and he likes the independence of having the game system up in his bedroom with him. We don't want him to be having too much screen time, especially right before bed. So I wanted some sort of screen timer or screen like limit, like we have on his tablet. There is no such timer on the DS, so I downloaded the source code for the actual firmware and hacked it. So you can see right now I have it just timing out at 10 seconds. So after about 10 seconds, it pops up and it says, "Time is up. To add more, 10 more minutes, press left and start." So if we press, let's see, left and start, keeps going. And the the halt I'm using it's kernel level, so it stops the entire OS. Nothing you do will stop it in any way. It does respect sleep though, so he can save his state because some games have. Sorry, I'm trying to open this up. Different games have different ways of handling saving the game, and I didn't want to get into like how to have it save in this game versus that game or whatever. One other thing that should be doing this, I'm doing this right about at midnight, so hopefully we see once the timer switches over. It's still locked right now. When it switches over, it should unlock again because it's there we go. It's a daily limit. So this will give us the ability to set a timer, a screen timer for how much time you can play with the games. It'll give us the ability to add to that time. I added the hint on screen for adding additional time because I thought it would be a cool way that he's 6, so if he were to read that on his own and figure that out, I like to kind of encourage subversive thinking and outside of the box thinking, even if it means kind of going against what we've asked of him, as long as it's not too terribly awful. So yeah, I'm gonna put this whole thing up on GitHub if anyone else wants it. As far as I'm aware, this is the first time anybody's done anything like this in the DS homebrew or hacking scene. One other feature I might add to it is I think it'd be cool to call out to like a remote server so that we could add time remotely. But all the stuff I tried up until this point, all the libraries and whatnot are way too heavy for the 3DS. So like when I go to like allocate a certain chunk of memory, the DS just kind of throws up and it's not too happy, which is understandable because I'm running code inside of the OS that's also running a game. So it's like it's got to be tiny, otherwise the game is not going to have enough memory to run. But yeah, this has been a kind of a cool project, and hopefully my son appreciates it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.